Are you struggling to save PDF files generated by WeasyPrint to a specific folder in your Django project? You're not alone. Today, we're going to solve this common issue together. I totally understand how frustrating it can be when your files don't save where you want them to. It can feel like a simple task, but sometimes the smallest details trip us up. You're definitely in the right place for a solution. Here's the specific situation we're addressing. One user asked how to save PDF files generated by WeasyPrint to a specified folder, like myproject/PDF files/. They shared their project structure and the code they currently have in their views.py file. Sound familiar? Let's dive into the solution. So what's happening here? The current code generates a PDF and displays it in the browser, but it doesn't save it to the desired directory. We need to modify the code to ensure the PDF is stored in myproject PDF files/. Let's break it down step by step. And stick around. At the end of this video, I'll share a bonus tip that will help you manage your PDF files even better. To start saving the PDF files generated by WeasyPrint to a specified directory, the user needs to modify the existing code in the views.py file. First, they should specify the path where the PDF will be saved. Next, the user should update the write PDF method to include the full path for the PDF file. This ensures that the generated PDF is stored in the correct location. After that, the user should ensure that the specified directory exists. If it doesn't, they can create it using Python's OS module. This step is crucial to avoid errors when trying to save the file. Finally, the user should return the response after saving the PDF. This allows the user to confirm that the file has been generated and stored successfully. Fun fact, did you know that the first PDF was created in 1993? It's amazing how far technology has come since then, and now you can easily manage your PDFs with just a few lines of code. Now let's look at the answers provided by other users. An alternative approach shared by a user involves writing the PDF output in binary mode. They suggest using the OS module to determine the directory and then saving the PDF file directly to that location. Now, let's dive into a different answer from another user. An alternative approach from another user suggests modifying the file path. They recommend replacing myfile.pdf with an absolute path to ensure the PDF file is generated and stored correctly. Let's take a moment to review another user's answer. An alternative solution provided by another user suggests that you can specify a file name when generating the PDF. By doing this, the PDF will be saved directly to your specified directory. Here's that bonus tip I promised. Consider implementing a logging system to keep track of your generated PDFs. This way, you can easily manage and access them later. And there you have it. You should now be able to save your PDF files to the specified directory with ease. If you found this video helpful, please hit the subscribe button for more tips and tricks.